To replace the baggage door, first open the door and secure it to expose the mounting ring. With the door open, remove the screws from the door ring. The screws will continue all around the ring, so be sure to check to be sure you got them all. With the screws removed, use a blade to cut the silicone around the edge of the door. Once the silicone has been cut, pry the door outward and remove it. Be careful during this process not to scratch the side of the unit. Before installing the new door, use closed-cell foam tape, a gunnable sealant, or butyl tape like this all-purpose butyl tape by Alpha Systems to prepare the door. Run a strip of butyl around the frame of the door, being careful to avoid leaving gaps. Before installing the door, remove the paper backing from the butyl. With the door prepped, insert the door into the opening, pressing firmly to start seating it. The door should seat centered side to side and up and down in the opening. Once seated, open the door and begin securing the door ring in place. Place a screw in each hole and run them in at an angle to help firmly seat the door into the side of the unit, being careful not to strip out the hole or warp the door frame when doing so. Start your screws on the hinge side of the door and alternate sides to prevent the door from being pulled out of center. With the baggage door secured in place, run a bead of silicone around the entire edge of the ring and seal the heads of each screw to finish sealing the door and let it dry. Be sure to wipe away any excess and not leave any gaps. Finally, test the door to check for any twists or binding.